హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, అందరికీ greetings. So in the last video we learned about what is digestion of proteins and digestion of carbohydrates like that. So in this segment we will discuss about digestion of fats and also digestion of nucleic acids like DNA and RNA. Okay, so now first we will discuss about digestion of lipids. Digestion of lipids in various segments of alimentary canal. So first in buccal cavity. In buccal cavity, here there is no lipolytic enzymes. That's why no lipid digestion or no fat digestion. Okay, no fat or lipid digestion. So due to lack of lipolytic enzymes, okay, lipolytic enzymes are absent. Lipolytic enzymes are absent. That's why no fat digestion in buccal cavity. Okay, na? So this is the first one. Then next in stomach. In stomach, the stomach secretes gastric juice. So the gastric juice contains little amount of gastric lipase. That means mild gastric lipase present in the gastric juice. Mild means just a negotiable amount. Okay na? Mild gastric lipase in stomach. But the gastric lipase average pH is 4 to 5. The average pH of gastric lipase is 4 to 5. But what exactly in the stomach? In the stomach pH is what is 1.8, strong acidic nature. That's why it deactivates the gastric lipase process. Okay na? Very little amount of lipids are digested in the stomach. Very little amount, negotiable. So countless ankolo, almost countless. Okay na? So majority of the lipases in intestine. Especially in the intestine, there is a 3 alkaline fluids are there. 3 alkaline fluids. Okay na? Bile juice, pancreatic juice and succus centricus. Okay, so in bile juice no digestive enzymes. In bile juice no digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes are absent. Digestive enzymes are completely absent. But the bile juice contains bile salts. Okay, the bile juice contains bile salts. These bile salts are helps in emulsification of fats. Okay, these bile salts helps in emulsification of fats. Okay na? So for example, the lipids are converted into emulsified fats fats like triglycerides. Emulsified fats means triglycerides. In the presence of bile salts. In the presence of bile salts. In the presence of bile salts. Okay na? So it is. Ante in the presence of bile juice especially. Okay na? So these triglycerides are break down into fatty acids and glycerols in the presence of pancreatic lipase. Nothing but steatocin. Okay na? I will discuss. Okay? Is that clear? No lipidization in the buccal cavity, mild gastric lipase present in the stomach, and the complete lipidization takes place in the intestine in the presence of bile salts and also pancreatic lipase and intestinal lipase also. Okay. I will show the chemical reactions of lipidization. Okay, first lipids are converted into emulsified fats, nothing but triglycerides, in the presence of bile salts. Okay, now these emulsified fats are converted into diglycerides. Okay na? Mostly pancreatic lipase or intestinal lipase. So simply we call lipase. Okay na? These diglycerides are converted into monoglycerides in the presence of again lipase. And these monoglycerides are converted into fatty acids and glycerols. In the presence of again lipase. Okay na? So this is exactly happens in the intestine about lipid digestion. Okay na? Next we will discuss about digestion of nucleic acids. Digestion of nucleic acids. Digestion of nucleic acids. Okay, nucleic acids. So the nucleic acids are basically DNA and RNA. Nucleic acids are DNA and RNA. So the digestion of nucleic acids in the various segments of alimentary canal, particularly in buccal cavity and in the stomach, there is no nuclease. Nucleases are absent in the completely in buccal cavity and stomach. Pancreatic juice and intestinal juice contains nucleases and also nucleotidases and nucleosidases. So the nucleic acid digestion takes place in the intestine only. Okay na? No nucleic acid digestion in buccal cavity and stomach. Directly we will discuss about nucleic acids digestion in intestine. Okay na? Directly in intestine. Why? Because no nucleic acids digestion in the buccal cavity and also stomach, because of there is no nucleases. The nucleases are present in the pancreatic juice and intestinal juice. The pancreatic juice also secreted into the intestine. Both pancreatic juice and succus centricus mixed in the intestine. Okay na? So now for example the nucleic acids are DNA and RNA. DNA and RNA. DNA and RNA are converted into nucleotides. Nucleotides in the presence of nucleases, commonly known as nucleases, from the pancreatic juice. Nuclease nothing but DNA converted into the nucleotides in the presence of DNAase, or RNA converted into the nucleotides in the presence of RNAase. DNAase and RNAase. These nucleotides are converted into nucleosides plus phosphate group. Okay na? In the presence of nucleotidase from succus entericus, nothing but intestinal juice, from succus entericus, nothing but intestinal juice. Okay na? Intestinal juice. These nucleosides are converted into nitrogen bases plus ribose sugars. The ribose sugars are actually pentoses. Pentose sugars are commonly known as pentose sugars. Okay na? In the presence of nucleosidase from succus entericus, or otherwise known as intestinal juice. So these are all end products. Okay na? So here the complete digested food in the intestine, complete digested food in intestine is called as chyle. Okay na? So this is about complete physiology of digestion, and in next video we will discuss about absorption and assimilation. Okay na? Absorption and assimilation and also defecation process. Okay na? థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్ అండ్ ఆల్. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, అండ్ ఆల్సో సబ్స్క్రైబ్ కూడా చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్ అండ్ ఆల్. ఓకే రైట్.